Hello and welcome to AutoGPT Tutorials. Today we embark on an exciting exploration of the latest and most innovative open source large language models, or LLMs, on GitHub. These projects represent the cutting edge of AI technology and are reshaping the landscape of digital interaction. In this special episode, we delve deep into each of these projects. We'll explore their unique features, their revolutionary capabilities, and the challenges they aim to overcome. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a developer, or just curious about AI advancements, there's something here for everyone. We've crafted our explanations to be as clear and engaging as possible, breaking down complex AI concepts into terms that are easy to understand. We're excited to share these insights with you and hear your thoughts on these groundbreaking developments. Before we dive into our first project, make sure to subscribe to AutoGPT Tutorials and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss any of our future explorations into the amazing world of AI. Now, let's get started and discover the wonders that these open source LLM projects have to offer. Project number 1, Intern LM. Let's start with Intern LM, a remarkable breakthrough in the world of large language models. Developed by the Intern LM team, this chatbot is more than just a conversational AI. It's a sophisticated model designed for diverse and complex tasks. Intern LM is released in two sizes, 7B and 20B, with the Intern LM 2 Chat 20B model standing out for its exceptional performance. It excels in tasks such as instruction following, chat experience, and function calls, demonstrating an advanced understanding and response capability. The most groundbreaking feature of Intern LM 2 is its 200K context window. This allows the model to consider an extensive amount of information from previous interactions, akin to having a digital assistant with an extraordinary memory. It's particularly adept at long context tasks, which is a significant leap in AI technology. Intern LM's comprehensive performance sets a new benchmark in the AI field. It outshines its predecessors in all dimensions, showing remarkable abilities in reasoning, mathematics, coding, chatting, creative writing, and more. This versatility makes it a top contender for various AI applications. Another key aspect is Intern LM's stronger tool use. It supports a variety of agents and multi-step tool calling for complex tasks, making it a robust platform for sophisticated AI operations. This capability expands its usability across multiple domains. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Intern LM's size and probabilistic generation paradigm mean it may produce unexpected outputs. While it's a giant leap forward, users need to be aware of these potential limitations, especially in sensitive applications. Intern LM offers different versions for specific needs. The Intern LM 2 Chat SFT, an intermediate version, undergoes supervised fine-tuning based on the Intern LM 2 base model. The full Intern LM 2 Chat model, aligned through online RLHF, exhibits even better performance. In conclusion, Intern LM represents a significant advancement in large language model technology. Its ability to handle complex scenarios, combined with its extensive context window and superior performance, makes it a powerful tool in the AI arsenal. Despite its current limitations and ongoing development, Intern LM is a promising model for a wide range of applications. It is a testament to the rapid progress in AI and offers a glimpse into the future possibilities of machine intelligence. Okay, let's move to our next project. Project number 2, Macau LM. Now, let's explore Macau LM, a pioneering multimodal language model that's expanding the boundaries of AI capabilities. Macau LM is unique in its ability to understand and process a diverse range of data types, including text, images, audio, and video. Built upon the robust foundations of CLIP, Whisper, and LLama, Macau LM is engineered to perform complex tasks involving multiple modalities. This versatility makes it an invaluable asset in tasks requiring a nuanced understanding of varied data forms. One of the standout features of Macau LM is its approach to alignment. The model can efficiently align multimodal data to LLM embeddings, facilitating rapid adaptation to different data types. This feature is crucial for tasks that require a holistic understanding of diverse information sources. Moreover, Macau LM introduces a novel method of one-stage instruction fine-tuning. This efficient process allows the model to adapt quickly to new tasks, a significant improvement over traditional multi-stage training methods prevalent in earlier models. Another key advancement is the inclusion of a new multi-modal instruction dataset. This dataset broadens the scope of Macau LM, enabling it to train and enhance its capabilities further. The ability to understand complex instructions involving multiple modalities is a testament to its advanced design. However, it's important to note that Macau LM is still in the early stages of development. While its potential is vast, its full capabilities and maturity are yet to be realized. The current evaluation of Macau LM is based on limited examples, and its primary language support is currently English. Additionally, Macau LLM's compatibility is currently limited to a select few language models, such as LLMA. This limitation poses challenges for its integration with a wider range of systems and applications. In summary, Macau LLM represents a significant leap forward in the field of multimodal AI. Its ability to process and understand complex, varied data types opens up new horizons for AI applications across different domains. The future developments and enhancements of Macau LLM are eagerly anticipated, as they hold the promise of further expanding the capabilities of multimodal language models. Okay, let's move to our next project. Project number 3. Otter. Next in our lineup of groundbreaking LLM projects is Otter, a multimodal model that's redefining how we think about AI's interaction with visual and textual data. Developed using Mimikit and based on Open Flamingo, Otter represents a significant advancement in AI capabilities. Otter is unique in its ability to comprehend and respond to instructions within a given context. This capability is particularly impressive in scenarios involving scene comprehension, reasoning, and multi-round conversations. One of Otter's most striking features is its training on the Mimikit dataset, which includes a variety of image and video instructions and responses. This diverse dataset enables Otter to effectively interpret and engage with a wide range of visual and textual stimuli. Otter's proficiency in following instructions and answering questions in context makes it an invaluable tool in fields where understanding and interpreting visual data are crucial. Its strength in multimodal understanding opens up new possibilities for AI applications. Despite these capabilities, Otter is still a work in progress. As with any cutting-edge technology, it continues to evolve and improve. Current evaluations of Otter are limited, providing a glimpse into its potential but not yet capturing the full extent of its capabilities. Additionally, the implementation of Otter may require specific hardware and software configurations. This requirement could limit its accessibility to users without the necessary technical resources. In conclusion, Otter stands out as a promising multimodal model with a strong foundation in scene comprehension and reasoning. It's an example of how AI can integrate different data types to provide more comprehensive and context-aware responses. Okay, let's move to our next project. Project number 4, Set of Mark Esom. Our next highlight in the realm of open source LLMs is the Set of Mark Esom project. This innovative approach is transforming how large language models understand and interact with visual data. Esom prompting is a technique that significantly enhances the visual grounding abilities of LLMs. Esom prompting works by overlaying spatial and speakable marks on images. These marks act as reference points, enabling LLMs to better comprehend the image and respond more accurately and informatively to visual prompts. This approach opens up new possibilities for LLM applications. Tasks such as object recognition, cross-image reference, and problem-solving are greatly enhanced with Esom prompting. It's a step towards more sophisticated and nuanced AI visual understanding. The advantages of Esom are clear. By improving visual grounding, it allows LLMs to perform tasks with increased accuracy and relevance. This method holds great promise for enhancing LLM capabilities, making them more versatile and effective in handling visual data. However, like all pioneering technologies, Esom is still evolving. Additional training data may be required to fully realize its potential, and it might not be effective for all tasks. The effectiveness of Esom prompting varies depending on the complexity of the visual data and the specific requirements of the task. Overall, Set of Mark prompting is a promising new approach that is poised to significantly improve the visual interpretation skills of large language models. Its potential to enhance AI's understanding of complex visual information is a major leap forward. Join us as we continue our exploration of the most innovative open source LLM projects. The journey through the world of AI is filled with endless possibilities and breakthroughs waiting to be discovered. Okay, let's move to our next project. Project number 5. OptiGuide. Next, we delve into OptiGuide, an innovative framework that's revolutionizing the way we interpret and utilize the results of supply chain optimization. This project leverages the power of large language models, LLMs, to translate complex optimization outcomes into clear, human-understandable explanations. OptiGuide stands out for its unique approach to tackling supply chain challenges. By taking plain text queries, the framework processes and outputs insights about the underlying optimization results, making the often complex world of supply chain management more accessible and comprehensible. One of the significant benefits of OptiGuide is its ability to foster improved communication and trust among stakeholders. By providing clear explanations of optimization results, it helps bridge the gap between technical experts and non-technical decision-makers. Additionally, OptiGuide has the potential to reduce costs by identifying root causes of inefficiencies and errors in the supply chain. It's not just about providing explanations. It's about uncovering opportunities for improvement and cost savings. Furthermore, the framework enhances business agility by offering quick and insightful analyses. This ability to rapidly adapt to changing conditions is crucial in today's fast-paced business environment, especially in the supply chain sector. However, it's important to note that OptiGuide relies on LLMs, which can be resource-intensive and may carry inherent biases. This reliance raises considerations around accuracy and fairness in the framework's outputs. In summary, OptiGuide is a promising framework that offers new ways to understand and communicate complex optimization results. Its potential to improve efficiency and decision-making in supply chains is substantial, though not without its challenges. The ongoing development of OptiGuide will be crucial in addressing its current limitations and unlocking its full potential. It's a project that could redefine how we approach problem-solving in complex systems. Okay, let's move to our next project. Project number 6, SelfReine. Let's turn our attention to SelfReine, a groundbreaking GitHub project that's redefining how large language models, LLMs, enhance their outputs. SelfReine represents a new era in AI self-improvement, where LLMs can iteratively refine their own work. SelfReine allows LLMs to generate initial outputs, critique these outputs themselves, and use the feedback for subsequent refinements. This process continues until the outputs meet a predefined quality or accuracy criterion. This innovative approach has several advantages. For instance, it significantly improves the quality of LLM-generated text. By automating the refinement process, SelfReine reduces the need for human intervention, saving time and resources. SelfReine is versatile, too. It can generate various creative text formats such as poems, code, scripts, and even musical pieces. This versatility makes it an invaluable tool for diverse AI applications. Another benefit is gaining insight into LLM reasoning. By analyzing the feedback generated during the refinement process, we can better understand how LLMs approach and solve problems. However, there are challenges to consider. SelfReine can be slow and computationally expensive, limiting its use in time-sensitive or resource-constrained environments. Furthermore, the feedback generated by LLMs may carry inherent biases, leading to biased outputs. This necessitates careful monitoring and adjustment to ensure fair and unbiased results. Additionally, SelfReine's effectiveness is task-dependent. It works best for tasks where LLMs can generate meaningful self-critique, which may not be applicable for all types of tasks. In conclusion, SelfReine is a promising project that offers a new approach to improving LLM outputs. Its potential to enhance text generation quality is significant, but it's essential to be mindful of its limitations and challenges. As SelfReine continues to evolve, it could play a crucial role in the future of LLMs, offering more sophisticated and accurate outputs with minimal human intervention. Okay, let's move to our next project. Project number 7, SGLang. Next on our list is SGLang, an innovative structured generation language designed specifically for large language models, LLMs. SGLang aims to make interactions with LLMs faster, more controlled, and reliable by introducing a structured syntax for prompt engineering. SGLang utilizes explicit tags for different elements like prompts, instructions, expectations, and outputs. This structured approach ensures that LLMs have a clear understanding of the user's intent, leading to more accurate and relevant responses. A key feature of SGLang is its modular composition capability. Complex tasks can be broken down into smaller, manageable components. This modularity not only enhances control over LLM outputs, but also allows for precise tuning and customization. Moreover, Sgang allows users to specify explicit expectations for LLM outputs, such as the desired format, style, or content. This level of specificity reduces the risk of getting unexpected or irrelevant outputs from the LLMs. Sgang also provides tools for interactive debugging, enabling users to identify and address specific issues within their prompts. This feature is particularly valuable for refining LLM interactions and ensuring high-quality responses. While Sgang offers improved control and predictability in LLM interactions, it does come with its challenges. The structured syntax requires a learning curve, particularly for those not familiar with programming or specific scripting languages. Additionally, the structured nature of Sgang might limit the expressiveness of prompts compared to more natural, free-form language. This could be a trade-off for users seeking more creative or less constrained interactions with LLMs. Another aspect to consider is Sgang's limited adoption at this stage. Being a relatively new project, its compatibility with different LLMs and tools is still under development, which might restrict its immediate applicability. In summary, Sgang represents a significant advancement in the field of prompt engineering for LLMs. Its structured approach provides users with enhanced control and predictability, paving the way for more efficient and accurate AI interactions. As we conclude our tour of these top open source LLM projects, we're reminded of the endless possibilities in AI. Each project offers a unique glimpse into a future shaped by innovation and creativity. Thank you for joining us on this journey at AutoGPT Tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.